Over 2,000 pastors, they on serious prayer and fasting because of who? Governor Umahi. This one a governor of Ebonyi State. Hey, according to matter wey reach me, my people, they tell me say the prayer and fasting are for 1 week, 7 good days as soon as the year. 1 week program. Over 2,000. And then they organize this thing. The people who organize an Ebonyi State government together with Christian Association of Nigeria because of they say that the insecurity and many things where they happen for the state. 2,000 pastors. I not talk say 2. I not talk 20. I not talk 200. Over. So now feel imagine the multitude of people we go dey one place over insecurity. I know they against una prayer. I know they against una fasting. If una like self, wetin I go even use make una fit even hang una self for fun. If una like go outside naked, anything una won't do all in the name of so una dey pray. That one no even concern me. My question first be say, why una wait till this time? Why una wait till this time before una go do 1 week? So these people fit take the matters like this serious. The thing una supposed to do since una no do am. Una relax, una wait till the country became the way it has become now. Now they to say this one. Make I give una wisdom. If una dey pray, wey no action dey inside, you are praying in vain. Prayer and action they work hand in hand. Una go pray finish. After this 1 week thing una dey do now, this one go sit down for that place. They cash out. That one go there. Una go even hear matters where they happen. Una go still sit down. Nothing go happen. We don dey pray since 60 years now. No improvement. Why? No, we are not dey pray. You way they watch me now. No, you never pray for this country before. 60 years, everybody just they pray. Time don't reach. Make una take out una sword. Make una see action. Not be too much talk. Prayer is good, but your intention is also important. This prayer now na for waiting. After this prayer, I go negotiate with una people. And una go dey come outside. Which prayer God even want answer safe? No, which one? I will say I be God. Ha! These people, I don't know. Una don't to take us for fools. God no go come down. No. God, he no go come down. Now why he put una there? All of una where they pray, both politicians or this one, all of una where they pray. Now why God put una there? Because he himself, he no go come down. He go use una, put things in order. What una don't do? Una don't forget first of all the promises una make to us before una enter seat. All the promises una don't forget as una enter seat, una just blind. As it be now for this country, we not even fit sleep with 2 eyes closed. You go sleep either this one they close, this one they open. If you try sleep with your 2 eyes closed, when you wake up, it ain't possible to say now only you go there alive. Everybody now they alert. And our beloved governors, they pretend say they fight corruption. Which corruption una they fight? And una they pray. And the thing when they pay me now, they say these people they know the problem. They know the real problem. Una no understand. They know, but they go just do like say they know they see. They do like say they know they hear, but they know. Una they go kneel down and they pray in front of. I don't understand. Wait. I will say perceive even tell me one of the prayer points where these people they pray. Una they fast. But now this say, and you see, make una even see how God they work. This same governor, Umahi, Ebonyi State governor, una no go believe her. Now this same man come outside tell us say bandits na in children. But now he organize prayer. No, una they see where the problem they come from. Bandits is our children, they are our children. We need to empower them. We need to this one. Now him now they organize prayer. Sense. No, make person tell me now. After this one now, people go still kidnap. People go still rape. People go still kill. And guess what? Gumi himself go negotiate with the Una hey, una never know wetin dey shele. Na why any small thing wey dey talk una go just jump accept am. Bam. Continue. All of una wey dey no continue your fasting and prayer. I no talk say make una stop, but I need open una eyes. What is the reason for this fasting and prayer? If after this thing wey una dey do now, una go still go back to the normal level wey we dey. No waste una time. No waste una time. Na why I bring her outside. I no know before e go reach 4 days, at least una still get time to readjust. Except if una know say after this thing now, change go happen. Very, very important. I no go talk pass this one, my people. Wetin una think? Wetin una think? Very important. Because I need to know una own mind. As I don drop my own, una still need to tell me una own, whether I dey right or I dey wrong. Abi, make the comments start the roll for that side. And una go soon get new TV presenter for this platform. Yes, she's from the Southeast states. Guess who she be? And if you think of anyone, drop her for that comment section. And why not click on that notification bell so that you no go miss any matter wey we get. And don't forget, share this video. Make Nigeria know say Nigeria is on a 1 week prayer and fasting journey. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.